good grace. Bring me along, bring us along, back to those good days. Sing me a song, sing us a song. We want to live in good grace. Nobody wanna big sides. Punish the wicked who don't want to compromise it. Those that say that love cannot win the battle, take the words out the most I address the tabernacle. Remove all those barriers and shackles. Purity, love and respect is what I use to tackle. And I know it's been a long, long time, but just look unto Judge, cause his love never realized. I'm leaving to the pool of divine. Anytime you feel wrong, God will put you back in line. And I know it's been a long, long time, but you're not getting nowhere if you're not praising Jesus Christ. Bring me along, bring me along, back to those good days. Sing me a song, sing me a song. We want to live in good grace. Bring us along, back to those good days. Sing me a song, sing us a song. We want to live in good grace. And this is why you should never despise your brother. And this is why we should all live in love and harmony together. This is why you should never despise one another. And this is why we should all live in love and harmony together. Yo, we love Dubwise, we love Dubwise. You guys love Dubwise, say Dubwise. Shut me up. Ignorance and greed always around we, so we give thanks and praises for the Almighty. Your host, give a left to a brother that beside you, who don't feel right or realize, who hold the base, won't criticize. Patient to the truth, lock onto our vibe, and please be true. Don't dwell on those things that keep hurting. Light up your spliff and get your daily sun. No time to hold back on these new horizons. These new horizons are calling.